Alright, so we're back. Guys, the homeowner was just difficult to work with, so we're back. We just had to get out of there. So, I'll explain more. Dude.
What? You guys having fun already this morning?
We fired her.
Who?
The lady that hired us.
Is that the one that...
Yes. We get there. She's breathing over our shoulders. And we start, like, all this stuff went miscommunication. I was like, she wanted bigger. And she's all worried about this, about that. We start digging. She goes, why you're digging there? That's where we dig. You guys know her?
You know her?
Nice wall in the front.
We found she wouldn't let us do our work.
Oh, no.
So then I was like, what's going on here? I go, you hired us.
Had you already bought materials?
No, they had everything. We start doing stuff. She's telling us what to do. I go, she goes, well, isn't the homeowner supposed to tell, let you know what they want? I go, yes, you told us, let us do our job.
Stand here and pick every step.
Yes.
Yeah, obviously we don't like crap right now.
She goes, I know I want it done now. It's like, ma'am, it's one step at a time here. Let us do one thing at a time. Dude, everything we did, she questioned it. The guys are here finishing this up. Only thing left here is caps around there. And the caps on the column caps here. Didn't vlog much. Didn't vlog anything yesterday, just because we started a project. It was one of those fill-in projects. It's like a one-day deal, right? 2 days, I don't know, just when we could, right? So I didn't vlog much, and today it is raining. The guys, today is what is today? Today's Thursday. And it is raining. The guys they worked for about 2 hours or whatever, and it's just a small landscaping project. They had to put some rings around the trees, fix a few rings around the trees, retaining wall rings, and make it bigger because the homeowner tried to do it themselves and it was too small, I think. And so that's what the guys are doing, and I'm heading there to meet them to finish off that other project with the 2 columns or columns there. We got 2 caps just to put on, and we should be finished with that one. And then I think I'm gonna they're just gonna head back home. And since it's raining, we are gonna work at the shop. They'll sharpen up the blades on the mowers and finish up that the front entrance of the the embroidery shop with the veneer. They just have the top part of it to do, so that's what they're gonna do. And then you guys, I bought another equipment. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy any more equipment, but we're giving up one to replace this one. And so once I get back, you guys, I'll share a little bit more with you what equipment we're getting and what we are selling. So to the ones on Instagram, you guys already know or seen what we are selling and what we are buying. And so yeah guys, stay tuned
and see them for what they really are. Obstacles that you've made up in your mind. That's it. When you blow past them, you'll make your FU money that much faster. Do you know that some people are actually addicted to their struggles? Now you might be thinking, Dan, now I follow what you're saying so far, but this just sounds too crazy to be true. This doesn't make any sense. Think about it. When someone asks you how things are going, how often do you respond with something negative like, well, oh man, it's been a tough day.
Alright guys, so we are on location here. We got the caps. Dude, what the heck? I didn't even lift one. Alright, this is gonna finish it off, guys. Careful, right? Man, looks good. Right there, guys. So we finished this. It would have been just a 2-day project, but we had some hold up. It's nice and clean, nice columns. Yeah. Looks good. That job's all complete, guys. What do you think? You like that? I think it looks pretty nice. Alright guys, back at the shop, and oh man, rain. So the guys are gonna finish that top part right here. Get all the veneer on. Nice and clean. Oh, it feels nice in here. Did you
They're back over there. Who? Watson? Yeah.
Got it? Oh,
yep.
That's a lot. Oh.
Yeah, we have a lot to do.
Thank God.
Like, you're a lifesaver, Watson. Oh, anytime you need to meet me early, just call me.
Our UPS man when we need something. Yeah, we have the best
man.
UPS man. We can meet up with them when we need something before he delivers to here. Is the front all done?
No, we're working on it.
Just a couple left? Or I mean the back.
No.
Alright guys, this morning we got brand new toy coming, dropping off. So that should be coming this morning, and it is Friday. I'm just doing some shirts. Actually, get some hats done. And him. He's finishing up the shirt.
Okay, so what does it say? Navy, gray, white.
And so I can't wait for the BOBCAT T595 to get here. They're dropping it off from Mankato, BOBCAT of Mankato. And after they drop it off, I'm gonna run up. I gotta take a look at a project up in St. James and then come back down, and then I will show you guys the new BOBCAT.
What color is it usually?
Then we got t-shirts to run on this Epson printer. Right here, I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here to run. And then that will finish up a job. So, what color?
You gonna run a sample first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got the pre-treatment all set, mixed and ready to go. Alright, so we are testing out a sample before we run all of these shirts. Emily's pre-treating, she pre-treated already, and then she's heat pressing it over there. And that. It is the heat press. It's that shirt. So once she gets that done, and then we're gonna she'll bring it here and we'll print. No?
I'm just not gonna walk away.
What happened?
Oh,
Rip?
no, it's the white. It keeps breaking. I feel like it's
Yeah,
super
right
loose.
there. You're
Oh,
You're
not
off.
around it.
yeah. Oh, last night I did. Why, is there an off on button?
Yeah, right here.
Where? Oh,
On the side.
okay.
Is there an on/off button?
Didn't brown it too bad, did it?
No,
No, that's awesome.
I don't really see anything at all.
Okay.
Need this stack, not this. Okay.
Hey, Mike had to stop this morning. It was just morning. So, yeah, so we'll try it tomorrow morning. There we go. It might be too high, we'll see. Okay, it went through, it's not too high. Yeah, it's printing the white first since it's acting like it's a dark colored shirt, which is fine. Wow, that is nice. So we've been printing these t-shirts because the first run that we did, they liked it so much, they wanted more. The color is very vibrant, clear. It's because they gave us a good high quality picture, guys. We got our new 2019 BOBCAT S595. They are on their way. I'm excited. I'm pumped. The reason why I went ahead and, well, I sold my 773. It's funny because I sold my 773, you guys, to Bill Henning from Henning Rental. That was my very first skid loader I bought, purchased. And it's a 2000, yeah, it was a 2007, 2000 BOBCAT 773. Had 900 some hours on it. Bill sold it to me back in 2011. And now he bought it back. I just went up there and asked because I wanted to sell it and sell it quick. So I went up there and asked Bill if he was interested in the Bobcat that he sold me. He said yeah. And so a day later we sold it, and I got my new, I put in an order for the new 2019 Bobcat T595, and I've always been wanting a track one, right? And so I decided that I was just going to replace the 773, and so we got the wide track on there, and it's I think an A71 package. We'll see. I'll give you guys more detail on it, I guess, once it gets here. But I bought it because we have 3 wheel loaders here, or skid steers, and so had the opportunity to just get a track one, and we're gonna do more of land work. The reason why I got the track one is because, so every time you're doing like yard work, you know, and you have skid loaders and stuff in the yard or property, it leaves dips when you're trying to grade it perfectly, right? Have like a tabletop finish. And everybody knows that owns a tire loader, it does that. And so I said, I've got 3 of them, might as well get the track one. So that's what I did. And the reason why I went with the T95 is because we wanted to be able to still pull it with our trailer. It's a mid-frame. That's the reason why I got the T95, and I'll give you guys the overview of the whole thing when they arrive.
What's that? You know what size he's getting for all the switchers? You don't have it on that sheet. It said 20. I can go back and look. I can just...
So what Emily's doing is she's pressing it for 10 seconds, and then she's gonna press it for another 35 seconds.
So now this shirt is actually thicker than the first one, so just leave it at 1 first. Okay.
Let's see what it does. Good. How come these are different from those black ones we did? They feel different.
They are different. They're totally different.
Alright, our new skid is here, guys.